Hey everybody, this is Tom Grelecki with Kriete Truck Centers in Green Bay, Wisconsin. The truck I'm going to show you here today is a 2026 HINO model L6. The engine is a Cummins B67 with 260 horsepower. Transmission is an Allison automatic 2500 RDS. Aluminum wheels, air ride suspension. The body is a Marion 26 foot long, 103 high by 102 wide drive van. It has 2 rows of E-track, translucent roof, and it does have the forklift package. The liftgate is a pal finger, 3,300 pound capacity tuck under with a 60 by 80 aluminum platform. Any more questions? Give me a call here in Green Bay, or call any one of our 10 dealerships. Thanks for checking in with Kriete Truck Centers.